Pawpaw Yarns, Pawpaw Yarns, Pawpaw Yarns, Pawpaw Yarns. Go find him. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Limon Crochets. Today I wanted to stop in. It is technically November 1st. So I did go live on Halloween Day, but if you didn't watch it, let me say happy Halloween, happy post-Halloween, and also happy Feliz Dia de los Muertos, which is Happy Day of the Dead. Hopefully you have a beautiful altar honoring those who have passed, friends or family. And I'm pretty sure you guys have your pan de muerto there, and if you haven't had that, I suggest you try it. It is delicious with a nice, warm, hot cup of coffee. Some new things about me since the last video. I have changed my hair color. It is a nice blue and pink moment to honor my friends, Froggy Winna Knitting and Daniel from Pawpaw Yarns. Those are their favorite colors. And we've been hanging out behind the scenes in some virtual StreamYards, and I've been popping in and out of other people's lives. I'll list them in the description box below, but I'll also have them listed here. They are wonderful fiber creators here on YouTube, and I am very happy and gracious to be accepted into their friend group. Today, I have a unboxing video to show you guys. It is from Fiber Floozy Crafts. Her name is Jill. I recently just met her and we just kicked it off. Really, really cool. But not only that, I have been hanging out with Daniel from Pawpaw Yarns. And if you don't know who he is, he's the guy who is dyeing the yarn for Crystal over there at Bagwood Crochet. He lives in Scotland and he just is such an amazing guy. I guess I can tell you guys now, right? There's going to be an exclusive Limon Crochets colorway that he graciously allowed me to help color curate and pick the name. I'll put a picture here somewhere here where you guys can see it, but I'll also put the link in the description box below to his Instagram where you can go ahead and like it and save it. So that way when he does his next shop update, you are aware of it. But if you are part of my subscriber base, I will definitely put a community post for you guys once that goes live because it is very, very limited. And I already bought a handful, so whatever he made, there's already less of it because I got first dibs. Going back to the point, I haven't even used any of his yarns yet, but I've seen it when Crystal talks about it, and I've seen it on Instagram. So I was super, super hyped that Jill over there at Fiber Floozy Crafts had some of his yarn available to sell, and I believe she still does on her website, and I'll put that in the description box below as well. I got some of his yarn, and I got it in 3 different bases because technically today we're just gonna do a quick review. I'm gonna open them up and show you guys. I'm gonna be talking about them from an honest consumer standpoint, what I think about the quality, what I think about the softness, saturation of dyes, and whatnot. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my Swift, and we're gonna cake it up so that way I can start using it because the color palette is amazing, it is beautiful, and I cannot wait to play around with it. First thing is first, hold on, since October is actually done and Halloween is done, you know I am a Christmas fanatic, so we are going to, bing! Huh. So Fiber Floozy Crafts' colorway, her favorite color is teal. If you haven't been able to tell from the packaging, and she individually, oh my gosh, she individually wrapped all of the yarn. There we go. Oh, look, I think she sent something extra in here too. We're gonna have to check that out. If you're watching this, in the comments, what color do you think I'm gonna open up first? Yellow, lime green, or neon green? Do 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 do. All right, let's start off with the yellow one. Oh, it has a little sticker on there. Can you guys see that? Let's zoom in. Fiber Floozy Crafts. Her favorite animal is the sloth. So there's gonna be a lot of sloth motifs in this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe I have Daniel's yarn in my hands. This is insane. Oh my God. So this is his Lil Pumpkin. That's the name of it. 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. 225 meters, about 240 yards. And it is a DK weight. This is his DK weight. And I've been experimenting recently with mohair, slub base. I'm barely starting getting into DK weight. I rarely purchase DK, but I wanted to see how all of his bases were and how they hold up. So I got a DK, I think I got a fingering and a worsted. His Instagram, go make sure you're following him because you're gonna want to get some of that yarn, especially the one that I helped curate. It is a beautiful, beautiful cedar gray, blue, green that I decided to help motivate him to create. But let's open this beauty up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But check that out. So we got nice and strong, vibrant oranges going all the way through with a little peekaboo of white underneath. But even that white, that's actually like a creamsicle orange. It's not even white. But check that out. That is just stunning. Let's go ahead and review this. This is his DK weight. It feels sturdy enough. There's no haloing to it. It's not pilling as it arrived to me. And for sure, this is a very soft yarn. This is really, really soft. And I'm just like letting it drape on my fingers because then you can kind of get like if it's dry or one of those bouncy, fluffy yarns. This is a very solid DK weight. It does not feel overcooked. It doesn't feel dry. And I just can't, wow, this is really, really stunning. This is really nice. Let's go ahead and put it on the Swift. Check that out. Let's get a little close up. Oh, wait, let's zoom in on the yarn. Can you zoom in on the yarn? There you go. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so beautiful. So you get a little hint of brown in there, golden brown. Do you see that? Ooh, it almost looks like the orange is toasted. You get a nice little, it's not coral, but it's like, so you get orange, you get tangerine, you get creamsicle, you get burnt orange, and then you get red orange. So I think in total there's about 5 different shades of orange in this, and I am living for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wind this up and I'll bring you guys back. Cool, welcome back. So this is the DK weight Lil Pumpkin caked up. Look at that. Like I said, there's at least 5 different tones of orange in this, and you got that pumpkin, you got that tangerine, you got the orange, you got the red orange, you got the creamsicle. This is definitely going to look really, really good with the other colorways, hopefully, if I did my homework right. Number 2, shall we? It actually fell, I had the window open and it fell off the table, but check this out. Oh my goodness. Now, I will say, I never crochet with black yarn, and I refuse to crochet with black yarn sometimes, but I will make an exception for this. Like, check that out. Oh my God. This is Daniel's fingering weight, 425 meters, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. This is called Area 51, and according to him, he no longer makes this colorway, so. Oh my God, oh my God. You get those shades of gray and black. It is just so delicious and so scrumptious. Oh my God. Let's go ahead and open this. I cannot believe I have black yarn. I really cannot believe I'm doing this because I just refuse to do it. Black yarn, for some reason, it depresses me as I'm working with it, and I don't like feeling down when I'm working on my projects. But check that out. Ooh, literally looks like you opened up a black pen and dropped the ink all over the place. Check that out. Let's zoom in a little bit. Look at that. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You got the gray, a little bit of gray, a hint of gray, but mostly black. And you guys are getting a true color of it because I have my windows open and I have my ring light on, so you guys are actually seeing the color for what it is. Okay, here it is. Check that out. Area 51 from Paul Ply Yarns. So we have so far this orange little pumpkin, and then we have this amazing dark multi-toned black. So far so good. What do you guys think the third colorway that I paired this with is going to be? By deduction, by method of deduction, since we have the fingering and we have the DK, that means this one is going to be the worsted. Let me know in the comments down below, what color do you think the third one is going to be? Hurry, you got 3 seconds before I show you. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Check this out. Oh. I'm smelling my yarn. So this is the third colorway that I'm going to be pairing these two with. This one's called Something Wicked, 100% superwash merino, 166 meters, worsted Aran. So it's about 180 yards, technically, should be. But look at that. Hopefully you guys can see the vision that I have in here. And for being 100% superwash merino, this feels, oh my god, it smells so good. Well, it smells like yarn, but this feels super soft and it has a nice little fluff to it. Let's open this up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is so fluffy, bulky, but it's still fluffy. So let's go ahead and check that out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This looks so cool. And I kind of want to say it's not white. It's definitely like a cream base undertone. I think the yellow may have influenced and the green a little bit. Like there's definitely an undertone of like green cream to this base. Like it's not a true white. And I think that is going to give this whole complete garment an extra dimension. Like, do you guys see that? Hold on, look at this. This yarn, check that out. Let's zoom in. You have, like I said, it has like a cream undertone underneath, and that's like black and gray, these speckles part right there. You see, you can see the black and gray with some rust orange. You got a little hints of moss green, and then this gray kind of has like a blue undertone to it. You have some rust yellow as well. Like it is just, look at that. Super stunning. Look at that section right there. Oh my god, look at that. That looks so good. So dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Love it. All right, last time you get to see the label because it's gonna go inside of the yarn. Shabuya, check that out. Oh wow, that looks really, really good caked up. Really, really good. Look at all those colors you see in there. Not too many speckles, just perfectly placed in the right areas. So to recap, let me put them by weight. There we go. We have Aran worsted, DK, fingering. These are the 3 colors. What do you guys think? You guys see the vision? Do you guys see what I saw when I saw these colors in here? Ooh, I got some puff mints. Really, really nice. Delicious. I should technically eat one right now. No. I'm going to put one inside of my coffee because then it turns into like a peppermint coffee. All right. And then we also have some... Oh, we have a business card. Check that out, guys. Go. Focus. Fiber. Floozy Crafts. Dun, 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 dun. There's her info. Go ahead and follow her. Hopefully it's not backwards because it looks backwards on the camera. It came with some stickers. Oh, look. See, I told you sloths are her favorite. So she got this little cutie guy, cutie patootie. That's definitely going on my laptop. No. This one's going on my laptop. No, this one's going on my project bag. I stick them on project bags sometimes. Look at that. He's doing that. And then a nice, peaceful little sloth guy right there. Look at that. Just chilling on his tree. Also came with a Tea of Life, black cherry. Gotta love little tea, little free tea. And then it came with this tiny, look at this, it's so tiny. Wait, what's this? It's a stitch marker. with my initials Limon Crochets LC on there. Oh wow, and it's, oh, I love it. It comes with a little light bulb, stitch marker, and a normal stitch marker that she handmade. Thank you so much, Jill. That's so adorable. But this guy, look at this. Squish, 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 squish. You guys want to squish him? Squish, 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 squish. If you want to squish him, type in the comments down below. Squish, 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 squish. It's so fluffy. I just want to keep squishing this over and over. Squish, 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 squish. This is Banafee 29 Bridges. I think that's the name of the brand. It's a little tiny mini skein. She showed me that she had like a ton of these. Like it was like a set that came with like 20 of these. So I am very, very honored that you have shared your generosity of yarn babies with me. This is definitely going on top of my yarn wall. I have a little section where I put exclusive colors and stuff like that, things that are special to me. I'm gonna put that on there. But first, I'm actually gonna take this stitch marker out because I am definitely going to use it. So to recap, we got tea, we got stickers, we got little treats, we got little baby squish squish, and then we have a stitch marker, we got the puff mints, delicious, and we got our 3 bases from Daniel at Paw Ply Yarn Company. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I'm very happy. Very soft quality, high quality yarns. The saturation is there. I don't feel like I got ripped off in terms of the colorways. I see that there's a vision between everything, and it's not just someone who's just randomly throwing dye together. And for curation of colors, I think he does lend himself for the yarns to be played along with each other, which is always good because sometimes some dyers get a little crazy and you can't even mix them with their own yarns. You got to use something else. Should be able to make a cape and a cowl and a beanie. I should be able to. If I did the math right in my head, I should be able to get about 2 garments for sure. If I can only get the cape and I have some left over, if I had to choose between a cowl and a beanie, I'll get a beanie done with the cape, so that way I have something on my head and then something on my body for it. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, which ones did you like? Did you like Area 51, Lil Pumpkin, or Something Wicked? Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Let me know what was your favorite part about this. And thank you so much for joining me. Go ahead and check out Fiber Floozy Crafts and see if she has some leftover yarn. And also go ahead and follow Daniel because there is going to be Lemon Atlas, which is the color he allowed me to color curate for him. Very super limited, and you need to be following him so you are aware of his next shop update to get and snag yourself one of those. When that arrives in the mail, I'll definitely do an unboxing for you guys so you guys can see it. But up until then, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you to all the new members who joined, and I will see you guys in the next live. All right, you guys, it's time for shout outs. Let's thank our members who made this episode possible. Let's go ahead and go down our Limon Influencer section. We got creations by Yankee Christina, Jillian, Froggy Winna Knitting, Carrie the Yawny Elephant, Corey Schlereth, Blanca Valtierrez, Cocktails and Crochet with Coco, and Karen Miller. Thank you guys so much for your support. You guys are awesome. And let's go ahead and do our inner circle. We have Liz Miller, Fiber Floozy Crafts, Teresa DePap, Tamara Milliard, and Ola Joe, the Crocheting Sailor. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are awesome, and you make this experience, like I said, so exciting to do. And then, like, quick shout out to our Limon family. We got Raspberry Beret, Granny D, Knit Pearl and Squirrel with Granny D, Susan, Lisa, Rose, Amanda, and Lauren. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are awesome. You guys really make this experience one of a kind, and I cannot wait to see what we have in store when we go live and when we put up new episodes. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.